In times of crisis, it becomes immediately apparent which businesses are well set up to survive the long term, the ones that were built resilience into their business models. It can be hard to build business resilience, especially when times are already difficult. But planning for business resilience is very important because it ensures your business is around for the long term. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. Resilience planning is a task for a professional consultant. However, if your consultant is not very tech savvy, you could be overlooking an important opportunity. Creating a digital product such as a course, a PDF, a blueprint, a formula, or an ebook could provide your business with an alternative stream of income. Anything that can be consumed as a digital product will give you the opportunity to sell items that carry no production costs except for the initial one-off creation, and can be consumed by many people without increasing the amount of time it takes you to provide the product, therefore realizing your form of the price per hour business model. Digital products are highly scalable. You can begin with a small investment and create a plan to scale them over time. They can be an extension of your services or product business, educating your audience into becoming a client. Every business has knowledge that can be turned into the right products. You just need to ask the right questions and make sure that the marketing and growth are based on realistic financial investments. Here are some questions you may want to ask yourself before deciding what digital products you're going to use for your business resilience plan. What do my clients need to know before they are ready to buy my products or services? This question will answer the most important part of your plan. Your digital products need to be consistent with what your business offers and your clients' daily struggles. What part of my client base shows more loyalty and return of purchase? Which type of client is happiest with your services and keeps coming back for more? There will always be sectors or categories of customers that love your products. Find them and design your digital products to attract more of these people. What price bracket do they consider a no-brainer price? Know your audience and their spending power. Your product should be cheap enough to be a no-brainer, but high enough to not be completely disassociated from the rest of your offerings. How much money can I invest up front? You can sell any digital product that is valuable for your audience. It's all about your ads and landing page design. So you need to base this type of products you pick on what you can afford. If all you can afford is a PDF, go for an ebook. If you can afford a handful of videos, why not a mini course? Pick the ones you can afford and then build up from there. Digital products take time to tweak and adjust into profitability. So start with something you can afford. The goal is to stay in the game. Make sure you leave 80% of your budget to market and advertising your product. Don't be tempted to spend it all on a flash product. And indeed, once you've built a digital product that sells itself, your business will be better. Built to survive, you will have created a separate income system that is also a marketing tool to help you boost the rest of your business. Win-win additional income streams for your business will also work wonders for your profitability and peace of mind. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at your website will never have traffic without SEO and social media. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.